Hello everybody, today we have a special guest called my Uncle Pata.
Hi everyone, I'm Pata and we will enjoy this beautiful lesson and we will cook something special for today asado, barbecue. The name of this dish is curried carrot.
The ingredients are orange juice, salt. Make sure it's salt from the ocean and it's natural.
Good. That one.
Raisins, curry, and last but not least, mayonnaise.
Yeah, we do have enough time, so everything is homemade. But we will still need to use it to avoid long delays in the preparation.
We're gonna start with the oil.
So the first step, she will drop the juice in the oil, spreading all around the carrots. That's fine. Good. Yeah, thank you, dear. Thank you. And then you stir it. Look the camera. Do you need help, madam? No. Okay. Okay, go on. Yeah, I will. Yeah. Second step, we use spread around the salt more.
No,
Salt. Don't put so much. That's the advice. Don't put so much. An accident or sometimes that happens, so she dropped a little bit. So we'll put.
We're gonna put all of it.
All of it. Look this.
It's raining
The
berries.
Hallelujah. It's raining.
Praising. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Un espectáculo.
Un espectáculo del mundo. La, 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 la.
Don't lose the concentration, please. We are preparing a special salad. I cannot control this. It's out of my hands. Excuse me, all of the listeners.
We're gonna put more salt.
More salt, okay? That's all? Okay.
We don't want to.
Okay, this you can do it yourself. Looks very good. I don't know. Be careful with the amount.
A lot.
Put a lot, yeah. Don't escatimate. Yeah.
Make sure the curry is organic.
Organic.
And it's from India.
From India. Good. And I will be ready with the mayonnaise.
Mayo.
Mayo. So
Bye.
this, all the mayonnaise goes. What you need to show. So half of this bottle of this recipient, you put almost full of mayonnaise and you drop all. It's okay?
Yes, all over.
Good. You showed you. Excellent.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Hey, we have to serve it.
Excuse me. Excuse me. So normally, to tell to all the people, how long will it take to prepare this salad, so people to know approximately?
2 minutes.
2, 3? No,
1.
I think a little bit more. Probably 5 to 7 minutes. What do you need? You need something? Give me a second. So we have a companion who wants to drop, but no time.
It's not happening.
It's not for you, Miss Elsa. Please let us work in. So now you spread around. Shall we need to put olive oil? No. Which ingredients we do not include on this salad? Okay, shall I help you or you do it at your own? Yeah. And also it's important to revolve all the salad because down to up, yeah. Down to up. Yeah. Check that the salad has all the ingredients appropriate. If you miss some mayonnaise, you can add during the preparation of the salad, or the other salt, or the other, what was the other one? Yeah, the curry. So we put, try not to see dry areas, dry parts on the salad. So if you need to add, you can do it. So today is a special day for us because we wake up and we have a barbecue with friends. We will go to a house of friends of us with other family, and everyone will share their own parts. We will bring this salad and another salad we will prepare later. And we have a big derby in Argentina, is River against
Boca.
and who will win today? So we will in majority will be supporting the best team in Argentina called River Plate. Thank you all of you.
And remember, you always have to try.
Vamos River!